Hello friends, today we will see more examples on conformal mapping. Now, in yesterday one we have seen one example. Now second example is show that the function w is equals to 4 upon z transform the straight line x is equals to a in the x plane into a circle in w plane. That means here we have given a complex function that w is equals to 4 upon z. We have to prove that under the condition that straight line x is equals to a in z plane, we have to prove that this is the image, it has the image circle in w plane. Now I consider let w is equals to 4 upon z, that is z is equals to, I can transfer z and w, interchange the position, so therefore z is equals to 4 upon w. Then apply their complex form, z is equals to x plus iy and w is equals to u plus iv. So this is the relation. Now as we know that when any complex number at the denominator, we can vanish it or convert it into real part by multiplying its complex conjugate. Its complex conjugate is u minus iv. So divide and multiply, because we don't want to change the function, so therefore divide and multiply. If we get this two term cancel with each other, then your function is remains as it is. So after multiplication, this becomes z into z bar, and we know that z into z bar is equals to real part square plus imaginary part square. So this is u square plus v square, and 4 into this term is as it is. Now x plus iy is equals to, we get now 4u minus 4iv upon u square plus v square. Separate real and imaginary part. So x is equals to 4u upon u square plus v square, and y is equals to minus 4v upon u square plus v square. Now condition is given the straight line. So given x is equals to a, that means x minus a is equals to 0. So I can consider here the equation x minus a is equals to 0. X value is equals to 4 minus a can be written as a upon 1 equals to 0. By cross multiplication, I simplify this term. 1 4 u's are 4 u's, my due to minus this become minus au square minus av square upon, now upon term is divided here, it shifted to this side, it get multiplied, 0 into anything is equals to 0. So the equation become this. I can convert or change the sign here, so negative terms become positive, so au square plus av square minus 4u is equals to 0. Now the coefficient of u and v is equals to a, so I divide this equation by a, so it becomes u square plus v square minus 4u a equals to 0. Now as we seen that here it is u square, then u, then constant is remaining. So by third term method, I can find its third term, that is 4 upon a square. So I can add this third term to both side of the equation, so that become u square minus 4u a upon a plus third term is 4 upon a square plus v square is remaining is equals to 4 upon a square. If I consider this first three part, this is the expansion of u minus 2 upon a brackets whole square plus v square is equals to 2 upon a square. That is nothing but the equation of circle u minus 2a upon a square plus v minus 0 square minus 0 bracket square equals to 2 upon a square. This is the circle having center at 2 comma a comma 0 with radius 2a in w plane. Hence as the given question, we have to prove here in w plane it represents a circle. Now this is second example. One more example. Now consider under the transformation w is equals to 1 upon z, find the image of, now again the equation of circle is given x square plus y square minus 6x is equals to 0. So I consider w upon 1 upon z, so z is equals to 1 upon w, x plus iv, z value u is equals to u plus iv, again multiply by complex conjugate, equation become u minus iv upon u square plus v square. Now u is equals to u upon u, x is equals to u upon u square plus v square, y is equals to minus v upon u square plus v square. Now the equation is x square plus y square minus 6ax equals to 0. I apply the values of x, y here, so this equation become x value is u upon u square plus v square bracket square minus v upon u square plus v square bracket square minus 6x, so that is u upon u square plus bracket square is equals to 0. Now as these two terms having same denominator, so there after equating the power, we get u square plus v square upon u square bracket v square bracket square minus this become 6u upon u square plus v square. Therefore we can simplify the term, so it become u square plus v square minus 6 into u square plus v square upon common denominator equal to 0. So by this way denominator is divided here, so it multiplied to 0, so it becomes 0. So u square plus v square minus 6u u square plus v square equal to 0. Then I can multiply here, or I can take here u square plus v square to be common, so it became 1 minus 6u. As it is given that 6u square plus v square is not equal to 0, hence 1 minus 6u must be 0. So 6u is equals to 1, therefore u is equals to 1 upon 6. So this is the required image. We have to just find out the limit, not image of the given equation, not to prove. Next part is now regarding with the bilinear transformation. For bilinear transformation which maps the points z is equals to 1 I minus 1 into the point omega z I 0 minus a, hence find the image of mod z is less than 1. Now z is equals to 1 I minus 1 and omega is equals to I 0 minus 1. So also for bilinear transformation, this formula is omega or w is equals to az plus b upon cz plus d. Now for first pair, we know that the first value of z is equals to 1 and omega w's first value is I. So for z is equals to 1 and omega w is equals to I, we get apply the values. So w is equals to I, z is equals to 1, so it become a plus b upon c plus d. So after c plus d is dividing here, multiplication with I, so it becomes cid plus di is equals to a plus b. Say this as equation second. Now second pair, for second pair z is equals to I and omega is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to ai plus b upon ci plus d. Due to 0, if I divide this in this multi term transfer to this side, then this become ai plus b. So a is equals to minus b upon a, that is equals to now b of minus ai. This is the value of b now here. Next is now third pair is z is equals to minus 1 and w is equals to minus I. So for z is equals to minus 1 and w is equals to minus I. So minus I is equals to minus a plus b minus a by, again this shifted to there, therefore it becomes ci minus di is equals to minus a plus b. See equation 2 and 4 are same with the opposite signs. So I can take the subtraction or addition of these two equations. So I adding this equation 2 and 4, so therefore addition plus minus di get cancel, plus minus a get cancel, ci plus ci become 2i and b plus b equals to become 2b. So therefore c is equals to 2b upon 2c, that is b is equals to minus ai already found here. So apply that value, 2i get, c is equals to minus of a only here. After getting a value, next portion is now again I consider that equation and take now subtraction. After getting subtraction, signs getting changed. So minus 2 di is equals to minus 2a. So di is equals to a. Also we get the value of d is equals to minus a from the calculation. Now putting all b, c, d in equation 1. So therefore w is equals to az plus b, cz plus d. So a is equals to a, b is equals to minus ai, c is equals to minus a, d is equals to minus ai. After taking this, I take here minus a common, so a get cancelled, z minus a and my upon minus. So due to this minus here, it become I minus z upon z plus 1. So therefore w is equals to I minus z upon z plus 1. Given that mod z is less than 1, so w is equals to this. So therefore w is equals to I minus z, shifting to this side. So therefore this become wz plus wi is equals to I minus z, wi minus I minus wz minus z. So I is equals to I into w minus 1 is equals to minus z into, so I into this, so z is equals to I 1 minus w upon w plus 1. As mod z is less than 0, so therefore this value is less than 1. So mod I is equals to 1, so therefore 1 minus the mod of 1 minus w upon w plus 1 is less than, so therefore w minus 1 is less than w plus 1. Apply the values of w is equals to now u plus v, so therefore that become u minus v plus iv less than u plus v iv. On squaring by taking its formula, so under root of u minus, that is real part square plus imaginary part square. Similarly here by taking its squares and expanding the term, you get now u square minus 2u plus 1 plus v square less than u square plus 2u plus 1 plus v square. Now here this minus 4u is less than 0, so 4u is greater than 0, hence u is greater than 0. Therefore the interior of the circle x square plus y square in z plane is mapped into the half of the w plane to the right of the image x axis. So this way we can complete the conformal mapping, and hence our first unit is completed regarding with complex differentiation.